Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OnTech Charge scheduling via your utility portal, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for your utility provider's portal. Press enter to navigate to the website. Log in with your username and password. If you don't have an account, look for the sign up or register option. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, locate the section for Account Settings or Profile. Look for an option labeled Manage Authorizations or Energy Programs. Click on that section to access authorization options. Find the option to link or authorize OnTech Charge scheduling. Read any provided information regarding the authorization process. If you agree, proceed to click on the Authorize or Link button. You may need to confirm your decision in a pop-up window. Check for any terms and conditions you need to accept. Once accepted, your request should now be submitted. Wait for a confirmation that your authorization is successful. If prompted, provide any additional information required. You may receive an email confirmation shortly after authorization. Return to your account dashboard to verify the connection. That's it. You've successfully authorized OnTech Charge scheduling via your utility portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.